Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl from the 314 coming at you from the 770, and I have another Cheetah Diva adventure. As you can see, my makeup is already done. Well, that's because this isn't a video about putting makeup on or anything close to related to beauty. This is the video that my daughter Charlene is going to be sitting in on. I explained to her that this is going to be looks that are functional for wearing in a hospital. She does work in that environment. She really loves it. She wants to be a nurse, so she's working towards that. But that's not really what this video is all about. Oh, she is so gonna be upset with me. Not for long, but yeah, she's not gonna be happy with this. About a week or so ago, I got my hands on a bag of the Pocky Haunted Ghost Pepper tortillas. Now, Charlene is a hot chip aficionado, and in that she says there is absolutely no chips that she could ever eat that would be this hot. She always gets these burn your booty chips or whatever, and I just look at her and say, you'll be sorry one day. One day I was surfing online and I came across these cheese curls that had the Carolina Reaper pepper made into one, and I was like, oh God, this is gonna be hell on earth. Let's order it and do it. She has no idea what we're gonna do here today. I'm trying to laugh, but it's funny in a way, but it kind of isn't, because you don't really like doing stuff like this to people. I'm not that kind of a daredevil, but she had it coming. She really did. If you're new to my channel, click that subscribe button and that little bell for notification. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. I'm on the fence as to whether or not I'll do videos like this in the future, but it'll be a different mixture of both makeup and beauty and the little adventures Charlene and I do together. We do quite a bit of them, so we may as well let the world see it, but we'll see how this works out. Let's get this train wreck started. Okay, so this is my smoothest silk road dog, Miss Charlene. She goes with me on adventures. We product review together, and this is one of those days where she is actually here to do makeup. She doesn't do it that well, you know, she just does enough to get her through the day, but you know, mother can only hope. Say hi, Chuck.
Hello.
So the reason why I asked Miss Charlene to come on the set today is because by the script she works in a hospital. So I wanted to get her on here and talk about hospital and makeup as to how much is too much and how much is too little. So this is the part where I tell Miss Charlene that I outright lied to her. That's not why she's here. Your mom's the devil.
Anyway.
Okay, so recently I bought these Pocky Ghost Pepper, what was they, Ghost Pepper?
Ghost Pepper chips?
Yeah, those ones. And Charlene, up until that point, had never had a chip that was too hot for her. And, you know, every time we go to the store, she'll buy the hottest chips she could find. And, you know, she had, while she thought the ghost peppers were hot, she did acknowledge that they were hot. I thought they were not as hot as they could have been. So, I mean, I finished the bag within a couple of days, but I actually finished the bag. So, and a lot of my friends were on Facebook where I talked about this, and they were like, well, this is useless without pictures. And they had a point. So this is why Miss Charlene is here. This is Herr's Carolina Reaper corn chips, or cheese curls, I think. They're called scorching hot. So we are going to do a test on these. We're going to do a 5-minute test on these. We're going to eat them and we're going to cry and we're going to not cut the camera because I want everyone to see this. I did come prepared. That's a girl. I think I might have to fill these up. That's for you.
Thank you.
What do you think about your mom now, Chuck?
Just downright evil.
Oh, thank you. That's the nicest thing she's ever said about me. Got 2 bags. I don't know if we're going to eat both of these bags, but we'll just open them up and see. I would make out a will, but the person that I would leave everything to is her, and we're probably both going to die. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to set my stopwatch for 5 minutes, and we're going to see how we can do with this very fun challenge without turning the camera off. Okay, so here we go. Time starts now, so we're going to open up the chips. Inhale. Yeah, let's go. Let's go strong. Okay, so here we go. Nothing so far. Taste anything yet?
Oh, starting to feel a little bit of the heat.
Oh shit! There it is. Oh my god. Come on, girl, hang in here. 4 minutes and 15 seconds to go. Let's try another one. What you think?
Hot.
They are hot, but not as hot as they could be. Let's inhale some more of these. By the way, this is a chip from a company called Herr's Carolina Reaper flavored scorching hot cheese curls. Oh, they're gluten-free. They were hot for a second, but I'm not getting the buzz that I thought I would get.
Now the other one was.
The other one, well, the other one was okay, but these are just kind of average. Kind of disappointed. Yeah, that's a letdown. See, it wasn't. Oh. Yeah, that's kind of hot.
Yeah.
Oh. Why are my eyes burning?
Why are you doing this?
And you're still just sitting there eating those.
Maybe I'm torturing myself. I don't know.
What do you think? Are they hot?
Yeah, they're a little hot.
Would you eat them again?
Probably.
Because you would. And because you probably would, there's another bag for you. It's not as hot as the Pocky chips. I think I still have some of the Pocky chips. Those were pretty freaking hot. But these are kind of average. Sort of. Come on, 2 more minutes. We'll be done through this. My eyes are watering. Oh my god.
You still there?
I'm still here. The makeup palette, by the way, is Makeup Shayla and ColourPop collab. I don't know why I don't have more of the palettes from there, but I'm gonna make. My mouth hurts. My teeth hurt.
Here, take some milk.
No, 1 minute and 30 to go. Oh. I hate you.
That's a terrible thing to say.
How are you just eating these?
I'm just torturing myself.
That's sad. That's the saddest thing I've ever heard.
I got it from you.
What, torture? Yeah. Ah. My teeth hurt. You feel it now? 46 seconds left. Oh, these are hot, but they're not as hot as the Pocky chips. But these are really hot. They're not. Yeah, I wouldn't buy them again because they're not as hot. I've had flaming Funyuns that were hotter than this, but it has its moments. So we are 25 seconds away from taking a swig of milk, and our lives will forever change. No, they won't.
What if you find chips that are hotter than the Pocky?
I have to do that, don't I?
That's another challenge.
Ooh. This thing here, my road dog. Okay, so we are going to take a swig of milk here. Okay, final conclusions. These were hot. What'd you think?
Well, hot, but not to where I was tearing up.
That's true. So these were okay. I had hotter. I honestly thought they would be hotter than this. I thought I was gonna burn her mouth, but you know, little Miss Charlene here is she's a tank, man. She will do some stuff and just keep on rolling with it.
I have yet to find anything that will get me tearing.
You hear that, people? If you know of a chip or a cheese curl or something in a bag like this that is hot enough, let us know down below, and we will get Miss Charlene back on here so we can test the boundaries of how hot it is and how she's going to be able to sit on the toilet.
That won't happen.
Yeah, it will.
We'll see.
Yes, we will. So thank you for coming on this little adventure with me and Miss Charlene. Maybe next time I'll find a chip that's hot enough for her. You saying no?
Nothing will get me tearing.
Yeah, it'll be like trying to find a husband, huh?
That will happen soon for me.
No, it won't.
Or he'll find me. Either way.
Keep hope alive, girl. That's all you can do. Thanks for watching. We are very glad to have you here. Miss Charlene and me, we really enjoy hanging out. Not too much though, because you know she sucks at everything. Until next time, until next video, this is your Cheetah Diva signing out. Bye. Why do you keep saying you're gonna find a husband? You can't find no damn husband.
Yes, I will.
No, you won't.
When you won't have to deal with my cooking.
Deal with it anyway. How you gonna find a husband you can't even cook? What? You can't.
Just
What can you cook?
anything I set my mind to.
So your mind must be blank, huh?
Practice makes perfect.
Felicia, bye.